There are roads where at the end you just want to turn around and ride them all over again. Today I'm taking you on one of those routes in the Ardennes. I'm starting my day in Spa, right through the city center and head to Francorchamps, where the first fun part is waiting for us. This road starting at the circuit is the N62C. You can see it here on the track. It takes us to Malmedy. Look at that misty view. At the end of this video I give an overview of the track and where we have been riding today. You can find a link to the track in the description so you can ride it yourself. After Malmedy we take a bit smaller roads I haven't done in a while, when I suddenly recognize a place, Rocher de Falaise. Let's have a look. You'll have to check out the view yourself because I accidentally shut off my camera while filming it. We enjoyed the smaller curvy roads through the villages for a while. Then we arrive at this road. I had zero expectations when I saw it on the map myself, but this turned out to be a very fun part. Right here we're riding from 11 to 13, a very green curvy part that I would have done twice if I had the time, but we'll ride it soon again on the next ride. We're now making a little loop to ride from Bütgenbach to the lake of Robertville. To head back to Malmedy, I took this road instead of the bigger one because of the little turns I saw at the end of the map. We ride back through Malmedy to head to the twisty part you see above. Then it's time to make an overview of this ride. We started in Spa and made the first fun turns in Francorchamps. Headed to Malmedy, rode some smaller roads and did the great part from 11 to 13. Passed Bütgenbach and the lake of Robertville and went back to Malmedy to ride the great twisty road there. Heading back via the very known road at point 19 to get back to the highway. I hope you enjoyed the ride. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. If you want to ride the track yourself, you can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, ride safe, until next time.